In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp. If you're brand new or just want a clean, organized start, this walkthrough will take you from the first click to your first task, so you can get productive right away. First, head over to clickup.com and sign in. If you already have an account, simply log in. If it's your first time, you'll be guided through a quick sign-in process. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to set up your workspace. Think of a workspace as the home for everything related to your work in ClickUp. Give your workspace a clear, memorable name, something like your company, team, or personal brand, so it's easy to recognize later. Don't worry, you can always adjust names and settings as your needs evolve. Next, you'll choose how you plan to use ClickUp, personal or team. If you're organizing your own projects, personal is the straightforward choice. If you're collaborating with others, choose teams so you can share spaces and lists, assign tasks, and manage permissions. This choice helps ClickUp tailor defaults to your workflow, but it won't lock you in. You can change or expand as you grow. Now, it's time to create your first space. Click Create Space and give it a name that reflects a major area of work, like marketing, product, school, or home. A space is a high-level container that keeps related work together, so naming it by department, project theme, or life area keeps everything tidy. Keep it simple to start. Clarity is better than complexity. Inside your space, create your first list. A list is where you'll group tasks related to a specific project or process. Name it with action in mind, something like campaign launch, feature roadmap, or weekly planning, so you immediately know what belongs there. You can create more lists later as your work grows, but starting with one clear list helps you stay focused. Finally, add your first task. Click to create a task, give it a clear title, and optionally add a short description so future you or your teammates know exactly what needs to happen. You can keep it simple right now and just capture the action. Once it's created, you'll see how easy it is to add details later, like assignees, due dates, and subtasks, as your workflow becomes more defined. And that's how you set up ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials that help you work smarter.